Today we'll be cooking eggs. I have my spatula, butter, pan, and eggs. When first making eggs, you have to turn on the stove to low heat. The fire coming from the stove uses the fire triangle, with oxygen, heat, and a fuel of gas being used to generate it. Then you let it heat up a bit by turning up the heat to medium. It heats up through radiation. Radiation is the transfer of heat through waves of energy going from the gas and fire to the bottom of the pan, heating it up. After this step, one must put some butter or oil and try to spread it over the entire base and most of the sides of the inner pan. This way, the eggs won't get stuck to the pan. Instead, they will slide around due to the reduction of friction by the oil or butter. This process may take some time to melt the butter. Usually you may want to put the heat up at a higher temperature to melt faster. Uh, Convection will only happen if I use oil, which is clearly not what I'm doing. Butter will not produce the requirements for convection to happen. After this, after the spreading, you must take 2 to 4 eggs and crack them and plop the eggs onto the pan. After breaking the eggs will start cooking through convection on the pan. Of course, you will want to break the eggs with spatula first, so you can get scrambled eggs. Conduction is the spread of heat through objects touching each other. You may also want to increase the heat of the egg to have it cook faster. Next, you will simply stir or move around the egg for about a minute. This way, they will get cooked up enough by the heats to be ready to eat. Make sure to not forget about a, a bit of salt for the flavor. Eventually, the eggs will be cooked up enough that they are edible, and you can turn off the flame and serve on a plate to eat. Happy eggs. Bon appetit. Yeah. Woo.